Hey guys.
Good morning. It's not morning.
The Stainbrook clan is here. Hi. It's going sleepy. We got some buddies in today. We finally bought some buddies for the kiddos. They're really, really excited to see them. And I figured we would just open them for you guys to see them while we see them for the first time. So we're going to open a few buddies.
Even the dinosaur ones.
So
now they do.
we're going to open some buddies. The kids are going to see them for the first time.
Yay.
So I'm pretty excited about that. We have 3 of them to open. We have 3 buddies coming at you.
Yeah.
Those are the scent packs. You can open those.
Wait.
To do after the buddies, or
Well, just give me them and I'll take them out of the package at least. Cool. Oh, I forgot I got that too. That's exciting. Ooh, I forgot. I have another special thing in here I'm very excited about. Okay, he wants to do that.
okay.
Okay, so we got 2 others that we're gonna do 3 buddies. Let's do that one first, yeah. All right, Everett, you wanna open this one?
Yes.
Do you know how to open it?
Yes. It's not like I am a one.
I don't think he knows how to open it.
Oh.
Hi, guys. All right.
I was trying to. I never. Yay!
What is that one?
That's a cool one.
Ooh, that's bigger than I thought.
It's a whale, and I am gonna call it an orca since this is what an orca
It
looks
is an
like.
orca. Good job, Everett. How did you know it was an orca?
Because I know.
Okay, this is Ori the Orca. And tell them what scent you picked for him.
Gogo Mango. Yee.
Everett loves Gogo Mango, so he asked specifically for Gogo Mango for his Ori the Orca.
You want to put it inside? Do you know where it goes?
Do you know where it goes?
Show the camera what you're doing.
Where do you think that the scent pack goes in him?
Let me think.
Hi, guys.
Right here.
It goes in his mouth. He's got teeth.
Show the camera.
That's so cool. Show the camera. Wow. And it's got pink mouth. It's really cute. Look at that. And so the scent pack goes in his mouth just like Stevie the shark. This is seriously the cutest buddy. I completely underestimated how adorable
That's a really
this
cool one.
It's gonna
He
get.
is so fat and so
Soft.
fluffy. Yes, Eliza's brushing her teeth. She had a great time at the dentist.
Right there. I'm putting it inside his mouth.
This is Gogo Mango. It is delicious. It's probably my favorite scent right now.
Wait, so people are supposed to eat it?
No.
Is that what type of delicious you
So
mean?
good. No, delicious could be smelling too. Oh, that scent pack is perfect. Sometimes the scent packs can be a little different than the wax because they're made with a completely different kind of fragrance.
Yeah.
A lot bigger than I thought. A lot fluffy and fatter than I thought. Like Stevie's kind of like skinny and long.
We're fat.
He is so chubby. Very, very full.
Wait,
and
I'm
fluffy.
chubby.
You
And
did
he
Is he so
is.
cute?
Oh.
No.
No.
This is Eliza's. Do you want to open this one for you? This one's for you. You want to open this one?
It's
This one's for you.
it's hers.
And we got jammy time for this one. What is that?
It's an orca. No, that's not.
Look at this one. Look how cute.
No, I'm Bobby.
You want to get to Bobby? Okay, this is Serena the Sleepy Bear. So we have Ori the Orca.
Also, why do you have
Serena the Sleepy Bear. This is so soft. People who loved Bailey are gonna love this one. Perfect for baby showers, little beans that you know.
Wait,
So
I love
cute.
eating beans. I'll eat that bean.
So we got jammy time for this one. And the scent pack goes right in the hiney. I'll open that real quick.
You a hiney.
In the hiney. So Serena the Sleepy Bear is an obvious candidate
that
for
means-
jammy time
That means
fragrance.
humans have heinies.
So far we've got Ori the Orca and Serena the Sleepy Bear.
Humans have heinies.
Stop it, turd.
This guy does.
Do you have the scent pack?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Those are for
Jammy time. I love me some jammy
Jammy
time.
time.
It's really funny. I don't like jammy time in wax very much, but it is my all-time
Can I
favorite
smell
scent
it?
and pretty much everything else. It doesn't smell yet. You gotta kind of shake them around a little bit after you get that scent pack in
I
them
can smell it already.
and let them sit for a bit. There we go.
Sure.
Now he's getting there. Getting there.
I can't even smell one bit of it.
I know, it's getting there. It takes a little while for it to permeate.
This is
That
kind of
one's
burning my
yours,
nose when I
yes.
smell it.
Oh yeah, that one's really strong. The Gogo Mango is really strong. All right, last one, Everett.
You ready?
Everett has been so excited about this buddy.
And I said to do it last. That was what I was doing. And I want you guys to guess.
He wants you guys to guess what he's about to
Gotta
open.
pull the tab out first. So the tab comes out.
Oh, yeah.
Hannah, the rest of the sign.
Then you can bring the lid up.
I never opened one of these.
Yeah. He wants you guys to guess what he's opening. So if anybody wants to
Before I
comment
ask-
which buddy you think he's opening now. We just opened Ori the Orca, and we just opened Serena the Sleepy Bear, and she's very sleepy, so this is perfect. Oh, Casey says she thinks you're opening Tex the T-Rex. Oh man,
And
do you
Amber said,
think-
did he get
what are you
T-Rex?
opening?
The little
How do you put
dinosaur.
a... Ah! Is he so cute?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, he's so good. Look at that one. That's Bubby's. Do you like him, Everett?
Yes. It's because
Tex
why,
the T-Rex. He's
why
got the tiny
are-
little arms.
why I wanted both of these because I really like orcas and also dinosaurs.
Hey, what scent did you choose for that one? I think your sister has it. You want to go down there?
Bubblegum blast.
Soon.
Bubblegum.
We'll go down there in just a second.
Sit down, buddy.
Bubblegum.
I gave her Serena the Sleepy Bear, and she's asking for a nap.
Put bubble gum in there. Where's it go?
Where does it go?
It goes in his beehole.
Hey, no, that's not
It goes
appropriate.
in his back.
Oh,
You're
yeah.
not going to be allowed to make videos if you can't be appropriate.
But it goes down here.
There you go. That's not his... That's
That's
not,
his back.
That's his back, Everett.
Oh. Well, it's right above
Or you
his...
can say Heiny if you want to say Heiny. You can say Heiny. But we don't need to be any more inappropriate
All right, there
than
you go.
that.
E.
There you go. So he's got Bubblegum Blast. So we got Serena the Sleepy Bear,
Chicken.
Ori the Orca. This one's got Gogo Mango. The Sleepy Bear has Jammy Time, Obvi. And then this guy's got his Bubblegum Blast in him.
Roar. Roar, roar, roar.
So we had a little buddy fun. And the last thing we got was this right here, which actually you can put on the dinosaur, which is kind of funny. This is a Scentsy Buddy swimsuit. Do we have any Scentsy Buddies up here that are like normal? Or,
I'll go grab one from my room.
well, grab one from Eliza's room because hers are newer.
Well, can I also
Just get one. No, just grab one. From
Grab one of Eliza's.
And also mine, please.
Can you do what you're told? You might have to go because I don't think he's going to come back with what we asked him to get. He's arguing. But we got the little Scentsy Buddy swimsuit. It's kind of hilarious because it's actually made out of swimsuit material, like you're really going to let your buddy go swimming. So I will, we're going to put it on a buddy. They're arguing. Everett. It's perfect. Thank you. Okay. I'm going to put it on the panda. I know. She wants to go night-night so bad. She's like, why are we doing this?
I'm a roar,
Okay.
roar, roar.
I'm going to put the bathing suit on the panda.
I wonder if
Is this a panda? It's a panda.
in the future, I wonder if they're gonna make well, in the future, I wonder if they're gonna make it like a car, like Scentsy Buddy that has eyes and stuff.
You think a car with eyes and stuff?
And a mouth. Why am I showing his butt? What?
Stop, Everett.
We're going to go night soon.
I was not even trying to.
We're almost done. I'm sorry, guys.
You're on TV.
Stop, Everett. What scent does Shoo Shoo have in her? Skinny dipping.
Moana?
Smells delicious.
I don't know where Moana is.
I bought this when this came out, so you guys know how old this scent pack is, and it's delicious.
go night
Still
soon.
smells really, really strong. This is skinny dipping in this guy. Okay, where's the headband? Oh, it's so cute. So yes, occasionally we sell buddy clothes. So this is Shoo Shoo the panda
She is upstairs.
wearing the bathing suit.
Cool.
Is that the cutest thing you've ever seen? I think it is.
Yes.
So we have some buddy clothes
Well,
here
it
and
is
there.
for her.
I really, really am sad. I missed out on our St. Patrick's t-shirt. It says like something like I'm so lucky or something.
The one
and
that
I really,
did a
really
heart
missed that
emoji,
one.
yes, that person is correct.
There you go. All right, guys, we're going to say goodbye. Eliza's going to say goodnight. She's so sleepy. She's begging me to let her go to bed. So we're going to let her go to bed because she loves to sleep. And those are our buddies. Can you show them all real quick? Well, I guess this one's not really. This is just wearing the bathing suit. We got Tex the T-Rex, Ori the Orca. And can you show them your buddy?
Show your bear.
Can you show them the bear? This is Serena the Sleepy Bear for my sleepy little bean. Bye, guys.
Bye!